How's it going, folks? I just got done making my other vise out of steel, and I'm just going to compare it to the stock vise and see what the difference will be as far as which angles you can reach. Obviously, the new one I built is going to be out of steel. This is out of aluminum, and I'm on my second or third vise now, just due to the tip eventually bending. So with my Spyderco Endura, on the side that kicks out, I'm getting about 13.5, 13.6 as the minimum angle that the sharpener can reach. With the blade being fairly well centered right there. Let me go ahead and see what the other side looks like. On the stationary side of the jaws, I'm reading 12.5. And that is the absolute minimum. It's just giving the side of the jaw. And I know with the guide rods and the paddles, if you come down on it, you'd end up hitting the jaw. But, you know, just to be fair, that's the absolute minimum angle that I'm reading. You'll be able to look and compare at the Endura's placement a little bit later, but I tried to position them fairly similar, just to compare and contrast. Okay, new vise, steel. I think it came out pretty sweet. On the right side of the vise, I'm getting down to 10.3. The left side of the vise, I'm reading about 8.3. Pretty cool. Vise is made out of steel. I made a caddy so the other side of the jaw won't fall or move around. 3 selector notch holes right here. All in all, it's pretty bad. I could have painted it a little bit better, but you know, I like to use my stuff. I don't keep it pretty. Pretty bad. I can't wait to put this puppy into action. Take it easy, guys. Give me a like if you like this vise. It's pretty bad. Yeah, I'm loving it. Take it easy, guys.